In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see devices that are logged into your Facebook account. You can simply remove devices that are logged into your Facebook in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Facebook. On Menus page, scroll down onto the Settings and Privacy option. Select the option of Settings. You will then have to tap on the first option of Account Center. On this page, tap right here on Password and Security. Then select this option of where you're logged in. On this page, you will see your accounts and the devices that you are logged into your account. To get to know where the device is located, tap into it and then you will see where the device that's logged into your Facebook is located. You can choose to log them out if it's not a trusted device. That's how easy it is to see devices that are logged into your Facebook account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.